Well, welcome to another Terra Listens video. This morning I recorded my bird count, some of my bird count, and I recorded what I was hearing from Terra and seeing on the screen. You know, something I'm finally understanding clearly is if the bird's not making noise, there's no way Terra can register it. I can see them in the yard, but Terra doesn't hear them because they're busy foraging or whatever. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying the videos. Don't forget to talk to the child about the wildlife you see. If I didn't say it, thanks for watching.